stridor can be of three types. It can be inspiratory stridor, biphasic, or expiratory stridor. And this is very important, and I beat exam if I study this topic. So this is IBE. Inspiratory stridor means at the level of pharynx or supraglottis. So it can be retropharyngeal abscess, or it can be stenosis, supraglottic stenosis, laryngomalacia. The next is biphasic stridor. Biphasic means it can be at the level of the vocal cord, glottis, just below that subglottis, or below that cervical trachea. And expiratory stridor means below that you have thoracic trachea and then bronchi, the bifurcation. So biphasic stridor, example, glottis. At the level of vocal cord, you can have bilateral vocal cord paralysis, HPV infection, laryngeal papillomatosis, or you can have stenosis at that level. Then expiratory stridor is when you have stenosis in the thoracic trachea or any foreign body in the bronchus.